guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video guys, if you guys have a Ford Explorer with the 3.7 or the 3.5 engine guys, and you're trying to locate your oil pump, or you need to replace the oil pump, we're going to cover that today guys. We'll explain what needs to be done, where the pump is located, and we'll explain the whole procedure. Now if you want the video from start to end, step-by-step instruction, it will be on the channel as well, so please check it out guys. Every vehicle we get at the shop, we'll make at least 200 videos, that's our goal. So let's go ahead and start on it now. So this is the oil pump and that's what it looks like guys. Okay, this one right here. Now once you get to the pump, it's super simple to replace. Okay, all we have is two bolts for the suction tube on the bottom, that's where it picks oil from the oil pan, and then you have 1, 2, 3 bolts. But how you get to that pump, that's the question guys. You need to guys remove your upper intake. Okay, upper intake needs to come out so you can reach each one of the valve covers. Once you remove the valve covers, okay, you will be able to pull them out, and later you will need to remove the timing cover right here. You can see timing cover is missing. But in order to get to the timing cover guys, you need to remove all the belts, crankshaft pulley, and after that you need to remove right here, okay, the engine mount. When all that is done, this is your timing cover guys. Now the tricky part about this one, it's the same for the 3.5, 3.7 engine. Careful how you remove it, because see what happened with ours? Cracked in two. Avoid that. You can see once you remove all the bolts, it's not going to come out. You have to gently pry on each side. I mean, again, gently. We didn't do it so gentle, then we cracked it in two. Because all that is glue, it's a sealant, a silicone sealant, and it keeps it stuck there pretty good, believe me. Now with that being out of the way, you need to remove your timing chain, and once you remove the timing chain and the guides, you'll be able guys to get to the point that you can see your oil pump and water pump as well. This is where the oil pump is located, and right underneath it, this is your crankshaft. Okay, that's where the oil pump will be located. So the oil pump, you'll be able to access it through here, okay, and it just goes on top of the crankshaft. Crankshaft has two flat spots, one here, one on the other side. That's what's turning the pump, and it attaches to the engine with 1, 2, 3 bolts only, and 2 bolts for that pipe here. So once you get to that point, pretty easy. But you need to guys make sure that you get new timing chain in the meantime. Put a new pump, new chain if you're replacing the oil pump, because you don't want to do the job twice. It's quite time consuming, and this is the tool that you need, a special tool for the timing, to set the timing. All that guys will be listed in the description of the video below for your convenience. So thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos, and see you guys next time.